to my morning pot analysis videos on Thursday 5th of October with me, which paramarket analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable. Cable's dropping. Initially sort of held on yesterday, but then into the afternoon you saw the ISM data that was so strong for the dollar, and then we saw, or we have seen, let me show you the move as the European traders have sort of really taken over to the downside, and it seems as though the European traders are taking a fairly dim view, as I said earlier, of the sort of Theresa May speech yesterday, which didn't do a great deal for sterling, and the prospects of stability within the UK government. And momentum indicators remain sort of on the corrective side. Stochastics and MACD lines sort of falling away. RSI now decisively below 50. Looks as though there is downside potential towards the mid-30s as these moves have tended to go. But I still think this is, I mean, I'm not necessarily turning negative on sterling. I just think this is still a near to medium term correction within this sort of medium to longer term recovery in sterling, and you see that 35 is consistently where these corrective moves tend to come back to on sterling. So there is still downside potential in this move, and the sort of tracking lower of this downtrend of the last sort of 2 weeks or so sort of reflects that, but it has now dropped below the 50% fib level. 30.50 is really the next level that I'm looking at. That is this sort of old breakout support, and I'd be, if I was a medium-term bull of sterling, I'd want to see a higher low, probably around there. I think getting back towards that old uptrend, you're getting a bit tight, really, but still, there is, as I said, near-term downside move on sterling that we have to factor in. So, rallies are a chance to sell near-term. You got this little resistance band. 32.20 up towards 32.90, I suppose you'd say, and 32.47 was that 50% fib level. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.